Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniel Boydo. Mid-March is a great time to start a new cycling season, especially with another epic ride. Unfortunately, the lovely British weather is not too encouraging to do so. Luckily, there are other destinations in Europe with much nicer weather. Just in 2 days I'm flying to one of such and I'm taking Tarmac with me. I'm not revealing yet where I'm going because I'm going to show you this in my next video. In this one though, I'll show you how I'm preparing and packing the bike for the flight. That's the first time I'm taking Tarmac with me for a flight, so let's see if I can fit her into the box. Ready? Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. What I have to do for sure is to remove the wheels, pedals, chain and possibly the seat post if I can't push it far down enough. Okay, so this is how it looks like right now. As I thought, I need to remove the seat post and also rear mechanism to twist the whole frame set a bit to fit the headset. Obviously I need to also remove the handlebars from the stand. Let's do this then. The frame and the handlebars are securely fitted into the box. I was actually pretty worried about the handlebars because the cables here are really short, but I managed to put them in place. So what I'm going to do next is to fit the wheels on the other side of the case and make sure that when I close the lid, the spokes fitting the wheels clear the frame set, that there is no rubbing or whatsoever. What I spotted is that the rotor of the rear wheel is rubbing the front wheel tire, so what I'm going to do is to remove the rotor, just in case. Okay, at this point everything looks good, so I can secure the frame set with the straps, and I'll add just a bit of foam padding here to protect the frame set from this support. Actually, it's pretty far from the frame set, but better be safe than sorry, right? At this point I just need to pack rest of the stuff. What I'm taking is rear mech, obviously, the one I taken out. My Garmin, a saddlebag with full equipment, chain, pedals, lube, some extra CO2 cartridges, Allen keys, cassette tool to fit the rotor, link tool, a piece of cloth, Di2 charger and pedals charger, just in case. All packed to the one bag, and it can sit right there, and we should be fine. Okay, that would hurt. I've forgotten about the stem clamp, so yeah, I'd better pack it. So Tarmac is packed and ready for her first flight. I hope she'll get there in one piece and without any major damage. That's all I had for you today. I hope you'll find this video useful while planning your next adventure. If so, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my next epic ride video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.